Welcome to my review of SimpleTaxFiler. Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire experience of using this online tax filing platform. SimpleTaxFiler promises to offer an easy, hassle-free way to file your taxes, and I'll be sharing whether or not it lives up to that claim. When you first visit the SimpleTaxFiler website, you're greeted with a clean, straightforward homepage. There's no clutter, which is great if you want to get started quickly without being overwhelmed by too much information. From the main page, you can easily find links to get started with your tax filing, and the site offers a user-friendly interface throughout. One thing I really appreciated about SimpleTaxFiler is how it breaks down the tax filing process into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Whether you're a first-time filer or just looking for an alternative to the more complicated software options out there, this platform does a great job of making the entire process feel less intimidating. In terms of pricing, SimpleTaxFiler offers a competitive structure that's clearly outlined on the site. They provide various tiers depending on the level of service you need. It's much more affordable than some of the big-name alternatives, which is definitely a plus for those who don't want to overspend on tax software. The step-by-step guide to filing is intuitive, and I found the whole process to be quick and relatively painless. The platform automatically checks for errors and helps to avoid common mistakes, which is a huge relief, especially when it comes to something as important as taxes. One thing to note is that SimpleTaxFiler also supports a variety of tax forms, so even if you have a more complex situation, it's likely they have what you need. The site also offers customer support options if you run into any trouble along the way, although I didn't need to reach out for help during my experience. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so make sure to check those out after watching. Overall, SimpleTaxFiler is a solid choice for anyone looking for a straightforward, affordable, and easy-to-use tax filing platform. It doesn't have all the bells and whistles of some of the more expensive options, but for most people, it's more than enough to get the job done efficiently and accurately. If you found this review helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and user experiences. Thanks for watching.